Hey guys, we received this Mart Cobra USB charger cable for test and try. This is for the 3DS XL or the new 3DS, 3DS or 2DS. You know the different function DS, DSi, DS Lite, VU, PSP. So this have the all type of connectors. So it's the 5-in-1 Nintendo 3DS charger with the Nintendo DS charger and the Game Boy Advance SP. So here you can see this is a cable with have a USB-A connector and then the different way. So as I mentioned, you can put in the power source with the USB anywhere and then you can charge your GBA, 3DS, PSP, new 2DS or the 2DS or the 3DS, DSi or the VU. So all different connectors are in here that fits really well with that all the different types and the use. So it's a sort of multiple charging cable and that you can just carry one to charge all your gaming consoles. So you can see like you can use all this in here.